pound puppy's harness. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Oh, look at him. He's in a hurry now. He's trying to race against the clock. And he did it. Now let's come out and see what Kiki finds wrong with it.
I'll turn you over. Yeah, what are you doing?
Oh,
What are you gonna do? Huh? What are you gonna do?
Yeah.